Want to get a credit card from Bank of America? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to apply, step by step. First, go to bankofamerica.com. On the homepage, you'll usually see several credit card options right away. If not, hover over Credit Cards in the top menu and click Shop All Credit Cards. Take your time to explore the different options. Each card has its own benefits, interest rates, and potential annual fees. Once you've chosen the one that fits your needs, click Apply. Now you'll see the application form. Enter your personal details, first name, middle name, optional, last name, suffix, if any, and your residential address. You also need to provide income information and possibly some documentation depending on the card type. Make sure you already have a Bank of America account. Some cards may require it. Once you complete the form, click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to submit your application. And that's how to apply for a credit card on Bank of America. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.